So next topic is quantum mechanical model of an atom by Schrodinger wave equation. So already we studied several atomic models. That atomic models are based on classical mechanics. But this classical mechanics fails to explain two concepts. One is Heisenberg uncertainty principle and the dual nature of electron. So classical mechanics fails to explain Heisenberg uncertainty principle and the dual nature of electron, but dual nature of electron was explained by de Broglie but not explained in classical mechanics. So dual nature of electrons was explained by de Broglie, but it was not explained in classical mechanics. So based on this Heisenberg and uncertainty and dual nature of electron, they proposed a new mechanics called quantum mechanics. So based on this Heisenberg uncertainty and dual nature of electron of microscopic particle, they introduced new concept called quantum mechanics. So in quantum mechanics, Erwin Schrodinger expressed the wave nature of electron. So Erwin Schrodinger expressed the wave nature of electron as Hc equal to Ec. So he expressed wave nature of electron in terms of differential equation. So he expressed wave nature of electron in terms of differential equation, and so it is a time independent equation. It's a time independent equation. So Erwin Schrodinger expressed the wave nature of electron in terms of differential equation, and it is a time independent equation. So in this equation, H cap psi is equal to E psi. So H cap denotes Hamiltonian operator, and psi denotes wave function. So H cap denotes Hamiltonian operator and psi denotes wave function, and it is in psi function denotes position of coordinates such as xy axis, y axis and z axis. So wave function is the position of coordinates such as x, y and z axis. And last E denotes energy of the system. E denotes energy of the system. In this case, energy means total energy, both kinetic energy and potential energy. So we can ask one question. In both the sides, psi is common, so we can cancel psi. So we cannot cancel psi because this H cap is a Hamiltonian operator. This is an operator of this wave function. So always remember this Hamiltonian operator, the operator of a wave function. So you cannot cancel psi on both sides. Operator means it may be plus or minus, something like that. So in case of this, Hamiltonian operator is expressed as H cap equal to minus h square by 8 pi square m dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square plus v. So Hamiltonian function is H cap equal to minus h square by 8 pi square m dou square I by x square dou square I by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square plus v. So this is an H cap. Substitute this H cap value in equation 1. So already we have psi. So you have to multiply the whole equation with psi. Then you will get minus h square by 8 pi square. And when you multiply psi with dou square, so dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus v psi equal to e psi. So on multiplying this h cap with the first equation, so already we have psi, then psi is multiplied with all the equation. So dou square psi by dou x square, dou square psi by dou y square, dou square psi by dou z square plus v psi equal to e psi. So next step is multiplying. So this is equation 2. Multiplying minus 8 pi square by h square in equation 2. So multiplying this minus 8 pi square by m square, 8 pi square by h square in equation 2. So minus 8 pi square by 8 pi square m by h square into this one minus h square by 8 pi square m dou square psi by dou x square, dou square psi by dou y square, dou square psi by dou z square plus multiply this minus 8 pi square m by h square with e. So minus 8 pi square m by h square v psi equal to minus 8 pi square by m h square into e psi. So this is I can cancel. So remaining we have dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square. Then multiply plus into minus, plus into minus, so minus, so minus 8 pi square m by h square into v psi. So we have minus on right hand side, when it comes on left hand side minus become plus. So plus 8 pi square m by h square into e psi equal to 0. E psi equal to 0. So in this case, the above equation 8 pi square by m square psi is common on both the equation. So this is equation 3. Rearranging the equation 3. So we can get, on rearranging we can get dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square by m h square e minus v psi equal to 0. When you multiply 8 pi square by m h square e psi, here it is. So for positive sign we rearrange this equation. So when you multiply plus into minus minus, so minus 8 pi square by m h square p psi. So on rearranging this equation 2, 3, we get the final equation of this equation. Always remember, this equation is valid only for certain values of E. E already we know it is a total energy, that is kinetic energy and potential energy, and this is also permitted energy level for orbits. So E is a permitted energy level for orbits, E is a total energy, and it also has permitted energy level for orbits. So it can be measurable. So this E value is quantized, that is measurable. E value is quantized. Psi function denotes atomic orbital. Psi denotes atomic orbital. So these are about Schrodinger equation. It is an important 5-mark question they will ask in the exam. It is an important 5-mark question. So next we will see quantum number.